Hey folks, another cool night across the valley. Your temperatures have cooled back into the 50s valley-wide. 56 in Weslaco, 52 Raymondville. Port Isabel's at 55 degrees right now. Brownsville in the mid-50s as well, currently checking in at 56 degrees. 57 in Edinburgh. Overnight tonight, we don't go much of anywhere. Temperatures pretty well have bottomed out already, maybe another degree or two, but that's about it. And then tomorrow, under cloudy skies, readings bounce back into the mid-70s with south-southeasterly winds at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. But tomorrow will look a lot different than today. Instead of clear blue skies and lower humidity, tomorrow humidity comes back up. It's a cloudy day, and there'll probably be a few showers around. We're going 74 tomorrow, 83 Thursday. If the clouds and a couple of showers linger into Thursday, we may not make that. It may be a little below that, but by Friday, we're pushing 86 degrees. Now, satellite shows all the high clouds coming in already, and those are already giving us an overcast sky in most areas. The low clouds will come in courtesy of the southeasterly wind late tonight and early tomorrow. That gives us just a gray sky for a time. Now, our future track model suggests that we're cloudy all day tomorrow. It doesn't show much rain. Several of the other models do print out a possibility of a few showers Wednesday into Thursday as well. So we're keeping that chance of rain in there tomorrow. But I think by late Thursday, things begin to break. And by Friday, I think we're back to partly to mostly sunny skies again. But we have to get through the next 2 days. And I think 20% probably covers it for tomorrow. There'll be spotty stuff around. And then early stuff on Thursday. The most likely place to see any rain will be closer to the coast. But you know, really need about a fair game for at least a quick shower out of this. It's not a big rain event, but there'll be some showers in the area, I think. Rest of Texas tonight, 50 in Dallas. Houston's at 49. Out in Odessa, it's 49. El Paso at 52. You see those high clouds coming across Mexico? The upper air low sitting way back here, but the flow around that feeds that moisture over the mountains and right into South Texas. That low in the upper atmosphere, low aloft, will move eastward, but it looks like the core of it will stay far enough to the south, and we don't see a lot of rain here. Most of it's offshore, down to the south of us, and certainly by Thursday night and Friday, it's out of here and dry air builds back in. That should set the stage for what will be a beautiful weekend across the area with bright sunshine both days of the weekend, kind of a mix of clouds and sun, and temperatures back up into the 80s. At the coast, winds out of the south about 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. UV index is moderate. The bay's at 63, the surf at 64 right now. Low tide during the lunch hour tomorrow. The high tide 9:41 tomorrow night. So for tonight, clear skies early, but that's pretty much ended. Now we're seeing things cloud up a little bit. 54 for a low, winds out of the east-southeast at about 4 to 8 miles an hour. Then tomorrow, 74 for a high, plenty of clouds, could be a shower in 1 or 2 spots, but not a lot of activity. Winds out of the south-southeast at 5 to 15. So here we go, the next 7 days. Tomorrow, the coolest of the bunch at 74. Then we're back in the 80s. Notice by next Tuesday, another front comes in, we're back to 74. But I think tonight, tomorrow, just the clouds really thicken up. Spotty showers possible then tomorrow into Thursday. By Friday, the rain chance moves out and the sun takes over. Looks good for the parade on Saturday. I think we see sunshine as we get ready for the parade. And then as the parade begins at 6, mainly clear temperatures by then will be in the 70s.
No coats for the parade?
Probably not. Nothing more than, it will cool off. A light jacket maybe for the end of the parade. By the time it's over, it might be in the upper 60s. But other than that, just a beautiful evening.